Greetings and a warm welcome to the Enigmatic Universe. I am your host, Clifton 3D, and this is the distinguished program known as Last Week in History. Look, I know that I'm a day late, but today we will embark on a journey through the annals of time, exploring the significant events that transpired from November 27th to December 3rd. I have carefully curated a selection of 7+1 noteworthy historical occurrences from this period. Without any further delay, let's delve into these intriguing tapestry of history. November 27th, 1895. Alfred Nobel signs his last will and testament, establishing the Nobel Prize. Alfred Nobel decides it's time for something more explosive, intellectual achievements. But is it Kissinger, Obama, EU? November 28th, 1895. America's first automobile race takes place from Chicago to Evanston, Illinois. The birth of NASCAR's great-grandparents. The first car race from Windy City to Windy Suburb. November 29th, 1929, American explorer Richard E. Byrd and his team makes the first flight over the South Pole, proving that some flights are worth the chill for historical thrills. November 30th, 1782, the United States and Great Britain signed preliminary peace articles in Paris, ending the Revolutionary War. When the pen proved mightier than the sword, sealing the deal in Paris. December 1st, 1913, Ford Motor Company introduces the first moving assembly line, revolutionizing car making by turning the assembly line into a moving experience. December 2nd, 1804, Napoleon Bonaparte crowns himself Emperor of the French. Emperor by self-proclamation, proving sometimes the best promotion is self-promotion. Which reminds me, if you're interested in pop culture, games, shows, movies, what's going on in Hollywood, in Disney, then go ahead and check out my main channel, Clifton 3D. Now back to the events in history. December 3rd, 1967, South African surgeon Christian Bernard performs the first successful human heart transplant, changing lives with the first heart transplant, proving that heart-to-heart talks really work.
You forgot the fan in the chamber!
November 27th, 1095, Pope Urban II orders the First Crusade during the Council of Clermont in France, making crusading a trending topic. Deus Vult, my friends. These were 7+1 compelling events in Last Week in History. Feel free to share your thoughts on these selections in the comments and, if any, additional historical events that come to your mind. I trust you found today's episode as enjoyable as I did while researching and diving into these intriguing moments of the past. Your presence is greatly appreciated, and I extend my best wishes for the rest of the week, or a wonderful rest of the week. Until our next encounter, dear viewers and fellow travelers, take good care. Remember to hit that like button because, well, you know, likes are like cookies for YouTubers. We just can't resist them. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribing is like adopting a virtual unicorn. And who wouldn't want a majestic creature like that in their lives? So join the party, hit the subscribe button, and keep following. Stay curious, Stay skeptical and keep those tinfoil hats closed. You never know when they might come in handy. Until our next extraordinary adventure, this is Clifton 3D signing off. Stay weird, my friends.